Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by preparing the essentials. Update your device and the TikTok app so nothing blocks traffic. Once done, pick a reputable VPN with a clear no-logs policy. Install the app, create an account, and sign in. Make sure to allow only necessary permissions. This prevents privacy leaks. Connect to a nearby server in the country you need, because lower latency keeps video smooth. After you connect, verify your public IP has changed. This confirms the VPN is active and routing TikTok traffic securely. Once connected, optimize settings for performance and reliability. Switch to a streaming or low-latency server. Choose WireGuard or OpenVPN UDP for speed, or TCP if stability matters. Enable the kill switch so TikTok won't leak your real IP if the VPN drops, and use split tunneling only if you need other apps outside the VPN. Then clear TikTok's cache or restart the app to force it to register the new IP. These steps reduce buffering and prevent regional mismatches when TikTok checks location. To finish, verify TikTok shows region-specific content or check account settings for location cues. This proves success. If you still face blocks, switch to a different server in the same country, change the VPN protocol, or disable split tunneling so all traffic goes through the VPN. Make sure the kill switch is active and test it briefly to ensure no IP leaks. If TikTok asks for reauthentication, log out and log back in. Troubleshooting tip: if things go wrong, change servers first. Most issues resolve by picking a different.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.